Tired of repeating the same boring task on your computer every single day? What if I told you that Python can do them for you automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to automate 5 everyday tasks using Python. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to save time, this step-by-step tutorial is for you. So grab your laptop, open up VS Code and let me start automating with Python. Okay, so there are two must-have applications that you should have for automating your task. First of all, you should have a VS Code, Visual Studio Code application, which you can get it from here on Visual Studio Code website. And second thing you must have is Python, so that you can download from here. I'm not gonna explain you how to download. You can simply download. Without wasting our time, let's go to our VS Code and start creating our code. I'm creating a folder for automation by. Then I'm gonna open this folder in Visual Studio or open VS Code. Here I'm gonna create file. So this powerful script helps you automatically organize your files based on your file type, like images, videos, documents, and PDFs. Let's break it down. So here I am importing required modules, import OS and import shutil. We started by importing two important Python modules, so help us to interact with file system, and shutil allows us to import files from one place to another. So defining the main function, organize file by type. We define a function called organize underscore file underscore by underscore type. It takes one argument, the folder path you want to organize. So here we have added a condition to check the directory. What would happen if you would not provide any directory? You would get a message that specified path is not a valid directory. Here in this code, we have defined a categories, like all the images extensions we have categorized into images, and videos, all the files with possible video extensions we have added into videos. For PDFs, I have added .pdf. For all the possible documents like CSV, PPT, and all possible documents, I have added into documents. Next, we create a dictionary to define our different categories. Each directory include common file extensions such as .jpg for images or .mp4 for videos. Here in this code, we loop through every directory. Then for each file, we check is it a file and not a folder. Here in this code, we compare the file extension for our categories. If you find match, we assign it to the category. Here we are moving file to the destination. So let's run the code and check if this is working properly. Have you ever had a random idea or thought and then forget it within minutes? Let's fix that. Today we will build a sticky notepad app using Python that lets you instantly type your idea and save it into your local machine. Modules used are tkinter for GUI, OS for file operations, datetime to generate smart files name. This this is the final app. Lightweight, minimal, looks like a sticky note. Emoji button to save, clear, and open notes folder. You won't lose your idea anymore. Let's open the app and type save done. Here. Do you keep forgetting to take breaks, or maybe you miss your stand-up meetings or meetings because you are in deep work? Let's automate your routine with a simple Python script, a daily schedule notifier. From productivity perspective, this supports time blocking, and builds real-time discipline, especially great for remote workers, freelancers, and students juggling multiple tasks every day. So it's a basic application. Here's the time setting and notification setting and notification status you can see here. And it also gives a desktop alert. Your first break is scheduled in 1 minute and so on. You can see that I was testing this application and I use three main modules: schedule, time, and tkinter for building desktop UI. Here I have set up the UI and in the and I have added default values for the timer. Here's the default setting.